do a 40 roll right there. He's gonna show me a little bit what he's working with, so y'all know.
Look at 185 ported manual, stock box.
Y'all see it?
Stock box.
Lund tune.
Follow the brand.
Follow him. Y'all already know right there. 40 rope. I'm only gonna run this guy, but he never hits what he's running, so why even ask? But y'all wanna follow him right there? It'll be a 3-way. You need to tell me what you got in your car, because I'm gonna race it. Come on. I need to tell you because they asked me that every car I race is stock. So I need you to tell me what you have at least.
Nothing headers on it. Right, Jay, what does it have?
What does it have?
What does it have? Headers? Nitrous, but I'm not even spraying.
A ver, ábrele. Open this. Let me see. Bottle right there. Look at that. Bottle. Now for real.
What? Headers, homie? Headers? Tune, but it's running too lean.
93?
Yeah.
Alright, for the people asking, he's not stock, okay? He's not stock. Intake, right there. Nah. You don't have a the little thing that goes in the. It's not even.
It is on. It's a stock intake. It just broke when my radiator broke. The little box I put it. So
upgraded intercooler y todo el pedo.
Under the car.
Sleeper. Yeah. We'll see how that goes.
I'll have the nitrous one.
40 row. This is another 5.0 we're also gonna race. 40, I think 40. A little tire. You mind telling us what you have, sir? Specify, because full bolt on can be just intake. You know, a lot of people take full bolt on different ways, different point of views.
Headers, ported manual, intake.
That's it. Y'all heard it. That one, this one too. I already told you what that one has. And the Corvette and the gray silver one as well. Just in case y'all wanted to know, this is the Tamalera. Follow him, Tamalera. Yes, Lord. Alright, boys, about to take off. Already know. Yes, sir. The homie, he got me the other day, but it's all good. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I have. I have intakes, stock primaries, catless secondaries, Resonator lead, and I have dumps. And then I have Denso Sparks, and I have the CPI kit. So I'm running 850 right now. I'm at 5. So roughly, and I'm in a paddle shift, so hopefully that helps me a little bit. I always just let the car do the thing, but it told me the paddle shifting at a certain RPMs will keep my boost steady. I did a couple pulls and it worked, so let's run it. Let's see how it goes. I'm running that guy right there too. Yes, sir. Right here. What'd I do to you? Oh, I gapped you. My bad.
I remember.
That man sounds delicioso. Just a Kia, you know. Just a little Kia. Alright, so I ran the Stang, and then after this one saw what happened, he didn't want to race, so unfortunately he can't. Easy dub either way. Easy dub either way. Tell him. Easy dub. He didn't want to run. And then, well, that Mustang over there.